Want to sign out of one Google account when using multiple accounts? Here we have shown how to do it. This is the Windows Club. Gmail does not allow users to sign out of one account when they are signed in to multiple accounts on the web browser. If you use the traditional method, you will instantaneously end up logging out of both accounts at once. However, if you want to log out of one Gmail account, here we have shown how to do it. Let's get started. Open the Google app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture and select the Manage Your Google Account option. Switch to the Security tab. Go to your Devices section. Tap on the Manage Devices button. Select the device you want to sign out of. Select the Sign Out option. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.